melting some butter in here. Got some flounder fillets right here. Got a little Dat'l hook ya. This is the medium heat Dat'l hook ya blackened seasoning. Just gonna pop the top and coat this fish. This is like the easiest ways to make fish. Gonna make some fish tacos real quick. Little melted butter, little seasoning on the fillets. And go ahead and coat the other side as well. And you know, I use a fair amount. I like my spices, and this one is a good one. So these are just going to take a couple of minutes to cook, and then we'll throw some tacos together. Just flip those fillets. That's one of the hardest parts, flipping flounder fillets, because they're kind of thin. Flipping flounder fillets, it's like a tongue twister, but they're thin, so you know you don't want to break them all apart. So got that nice golden brown blackened thing going on there with the Dat'l hook ya spices. All right, the fish is done. Taco shells with some chopped up lettuce. Got some onions here. Got some sauce. Got some Dat'l hook ya Dat'l sauce. I'm gonna take some of this fish. Stuff these tacos. It's a big piece going in here. It'll fit, right? Yes, it will. We will make it. Yep, see, you try not to break it, but you always end up breaking it. But there you got that nice, flaky, white fish. Oh yeah. This is like a 5-minute lunch. Got some Dat'l hook ya Dat'l sauce here. Let's put a wee bit on the old tacos, shall we? Boom, there you go. Ain't they pretty? Let's eat them. So there you go, like tacos in literally just a few minutes. Nothing but basically 3 basic ingredients. Flounder fillets, 1. Dat'l hook ya blackened seasoning. This one is the medium heat version. And some Dat'l hook ya Dat'l sauce. And threw those tacos together really quick. Let's give them a taste. Unreal. A little bit of beverage. Man, good stuff. No reason anybody can't make this. You can use a regular frying pan. I use a cast iron pan. Get it hot. Throw a little butter in there. Throw the fish in there. Little seasoning on it. Both sides. You can use the regular stuff or the mild heat. You can add more heat to it if you want. This is enough to give it a little kick, which is nice. Gets the sinuses going. And hey, get the fish heated up, cook it on both sides. Only takes a couple of minutes. And throw some lettuce, tomatoes, whatever you want. You know, they're tacos, dude. You can make them however you want. These have lettuce and onions in it. I didn't even put cheese on it because I just like the taste of fish. And this has lettuce, onions, fish, and some Dat'l sauce. Boom, good to go. There you go. Quick, easy, simple recipe that anybody can make. Catch you on the next one.